In this next tutorial, we're going to show you 3 easy and quick ways to use our gel eyeliner. First of all, we're going to use the gel eyeliner very close to the natural lash line, and we're going to use it just as a graphic liner, so just a sharp line that's just going to add definition and elongate the eyeline slightly. The gel eyeliners are resharpenable. They're also really smudge proof when they're dry and water resistant. The perfect product to use close to the lash line. So a tip for yourself when applying your own eyeliner: if you hold a mirror flat on a table and you look down into the mirror, this will stretch the skin on your eyelid a lot more, which keeps the actual eyelid a lot more still when you're applying your eyeliner. So rather than trying to look straight, you don't see as much of the eyelid as when you're actually looking down. The other thing you can do is look slightly away, so you look down and to the left, and then it stretches the inside of your eyelid, so it's easy to then sharpen up that inner point, and then down and to the right, and then you can get into that inner corner on your other eye too. So this is a simple graphic liner. So moving on from the graphic liner, to make a little bit more of a dramatic eye, we can also use the gel eyeliner underneath the bottom lash line. So I'm going to join it from the outer corner, and I'm going to bring it close underneath our bottom lash line, and I'm going to bring it in about 3/4, and then go in with my Blue Master brush and just gently smoke the rest of the bottom lash line. So this stops the eyeliner from looking too sharp and making the eye appear smaller. If you apply too graphic line underneath, it can often make the eye look a little bit smaller. So this is just a way of achieving a really soft smokiness, and it's the perfect product to use for this because once dry, it's completely water resistant, so it's not gonna smudge and run later on during the day or night. So this is how you team a top graphic liner with a diffused bottom lash line. So now we're going to intensify this a little bit further, and we're going to create a smoky eye using the gel eyeliner pencil. So we're going to work along just above where we've applied that graphic liner, and then using your soft fluffy brush, we're going to buff up and away from the lash line, working all the way up to the socket line. And you can do this in stages until you're happy with the amount of smokiness that you've built, depending on how intense and how dark you want to build your eye makeup to. But it's a really, really quick way of achieving a smoky eye. Really, really simple. So you apply the lash and then buff up from the lash line into the socket line. And I'm going to apply a little bit extra on the outer corner there, and then I'm going to buff that up into our socket. I'm going to intensify underneath the bottom lash line as well. So I'm applying just a little bit more of the gel eyeliner into the outer corner of the eye and just buffing that gently through the socket line just to give a little bit more definition. Over the top of the gel eyeliner, you can always apply your eyeshadow. This is 102. Now you can actually use the gel eyeliner as base for your eyeshadow and just intensify with your pressed eyeshadows. And then this is H23G from the Iridescent eyeshadow range. Just applying a little bit of that into the very center of the eyelid, just to give a nice highlight to the middle. So we hope you enjoyed our quick tutorial today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.